Member Markle, if you allow, I want to answer this question.
Sure.
First of all, about the term of the president. His term ended last February 7th, and about election with that amount of money, I think it will be better for the international community and anyone interested in funding election in Haiti to wait until fair election can happen in Haiti. At the present time, there is no possibility that we can have fair, credible, inclusive elections. If anyone spend money on organizing elections now, it will only lead to another crisis because people won't be able to participate. And we have a very low turnover in the last election. Less than 30% of people participated in those elections. And if you have election with kidnappings and this crime level, I don't know many people will be able to join, to campaign, to participate in those elections. And I don't know who in the civil society is going to accept the result of those elections. And even if you spend this amount of money, I don't trust this government to be able to organize election when they can't even manage gas shortage in the country. How could they organize election? I don't trust them to do that.
Well, thank you, Emmanuel. I think that is the answer. I don't think we can have free and fair elections with the current president in office. And until he steps down, perhaps we should not be having an election until that time.